Hey guys, Bronte here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a power hour nap time clean with me while my daughter takes her morning nap. If you're new here, stick around and subscribe to my channel. Join this super awesome community of uplifting and empowering women. This is such a great community to be a part of, and I'm so excited to have such great people in my corner. So I'm going to start small in today's video, and I'm just going to pick up the toys that are on the floor, not necessarily put them away yet, but just pick them up and get them off the floor so that I can vacuum without running over toys, without stepping on toys. So I'm picking up these magic tracks, which are like the coolest toy ever. They glow, they're super awesome, little cars go on them, but there are tons of pieces. So I'm going to try to put all of them in this basket so that we don't lose anything.
I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to say.
I seriously find the most random things lying around the house. Tegan was doing this beaker creature science experiment toy, and it is the coolest thing ever. It's so fun to do, but it is messy. So that was fun to clean up, but I'm going to start with the kitchen, and I'm going to use the Lysol Daily Cleanser to wipe down my counters. And I love this. It is free from harsh chemical residue. It doesn't leave any stinky smells like bleach does. I love bleach, don't get me wrong, but this stuff is great. I can use it on the high chair. I don't use it on her tray, even though I could, but I use it to wipe down her high chair, which is really awesome. So I'm going to wipe down the counters, and I'm going to start cleaning up the kitchen.
The sideline where you wanna be. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanna be. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love.
Okay, so my all-time favorite cleaning hack for cleaning the microwave is using vinegar. I'm not spraying it on there, but I put vinegar in a cup, apple cider or white distilled vinegar, put water in the cup, put it in there for 2 minutes, and let it boil and get steamy. And when I go to wipe everything off of the microwave, all the nasty crud, it comes off so much easier. Leave me a comment down below. What are your favorite cleaning hacks? I want to know. I need them. I need all the help.
It's not ready. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids.
I'm going to wipe down all of my stainless steel with this Wyman's stainless steel cleaner. I love this stuff. This is my go-to. You just spray it on and then wipe it off. It is so easy and it works so well.
Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, and the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah. Drugs and cigarette smoke, is it? The print you wanna leave behind. Get all those cold eyes cold looking.
Okay, like I said before, I find the most random stuff all over my house. These kids are so silly. They just leave the most random stuff all over the house for me to find. I know it's not intentional. They kind of just put it wherever they want to put it, but it's funny. One time I found a play hot dog in the washing machine. It was a very clean play hot dog because it had gone through the wash cycle with all of the clothes. So I have to keep my recycle bin up on top of my counter when Kingsley is awake, and I had forgotten to put it back down, but I have to keep it up because Kingsley likes to play with everything in it. She likes to eat it, she likes to throw it around the house, she likes to put stuff in the boxes, It's such a mess, but I don't have any space to put it anywhere else, so up on top of the counter it lives when she is awake, and down below the counter when she is not awake.
For you, baby love, hot for you, baby love, hot, 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 hot for you, baby love, hot for you, baby love, yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love, hot for you, baby love, hot for you, baby love, hot, 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 hot for you, baby love, hot for you, baby love, yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah.
My sink desperately needed to be cleaned, so I'm going to be using this great value all-purpose bleach cleaner to clean the sink. Nothing super fancy, but it gets the job done. It gets rid of the bacteria and all the gross little gunky stuff growing in the sink from meat juices, cooking, dirty dishes, you know, all that nasty stuff. And I'm going to wipe everything down after I've cleaned the sink because I am a mess and I get water everywhere whenever I clean the sink. I'm also going to wipe down the soap dispenser because it was all gunky and disgusting. And now we move on to the dreaded bathroom. I do not like cleaning bathrooms. I don't know if there is a person that actually does like cleaning bathrooms, but it is one of my least favorite things to clean. I'm going to be using my favorite disinfecting wipes from Kirkland. They are the lemon scrubbing ones, and I'm going to be using these to wipe down the sink. Just give it a quick wipe down. I'm not doing anything crazy. This is just a surface clean, not a deep clean. My mother-in-law bought us this cute little shelf unit for our bathroom because it's a super awkward shaped bathroom, and I put a little plant on there, so I'm just going to dust that, and then I'm going to wipe down Tegan's step stool with the disinfecting wipes as well, just in case there's some tinkle sprinkles on there. Dun dun dun! Ew! It was so disgusting. I have to clean this all the time. Even when Tegan sits down, somehow pee gets everywhere. Do any of you boy moms feel me on this? So I bleach the heck out of it and try to get as much yucky off as I can. And I use the cleaning bleach gel by Clorox to clean the toilet, and then just regular spray bleach. Just over here still scrubbing away at the toilet, trying to get it not stained. It's really gross. It is one of those toilet seats that is like wooden, so it just stains and absorbs everything. We need to get new toilet seats and toilet covers, that is for dang sure. And now you know I'm gonna wash my hands because I didn't wear gloves, and that was nasty. Ugh, gross. Now that the bathroom is clean, I'm going to organize this disaster over here, the shoes and everything in this little tray that we have. It's supposed to be for the keys. It has turned into like the junk pile tray. But that's okay. This is real life. Hashtag real life. Look at my mess. So I'm going to organize all of our shoes and put away shoes that we no longer need to be wearing right now because it is hot out already here in Vegas. Nobody needs to wear Ugg boots or slippers, okay?
I believe in those things. I believe in those things. I just wanna walk with you.
I'm not exactly sure why or how Kingsley only has one of each of her shoes. That is a total mystery to me, so I guess I'm going on a shoe hunt to find the other shoes. So I'm just going to finish putting all of our shoes away, get that as organized as possible. It is kind of a disaster still, and then I'm going to move on to vacuuming and then mopping the floors, and then I will be almost done because the sweet little baby is probably going to wake up very soon. Okay, I don't know if any of you have noticed, but I have a Dragonstone shirt on from Target. And are you a Game of Thrones fan? Is anybody else a Game of Thrones fan? Did you see Season 8, Episode 3, the most recent episode, Battle of Winterfell? Oh my goodness. If you don't watch Game of Thrones, you should probably start so that you can watch that episode. Oh my lord, it's so good. If you're a Game of Thrones fan, leave me a comment below. I am such a fan and such a nerd about it. So I'm just mopping my floors using a mixture of white vinegar and water. It gets the floors cleaned and it's antibacterial without being some crazy harsh chemicals. Usually I will use bleach and water, but today I just didn't feel like smelling the bleach because I knew it was getting near to the end of Kingsley's nap, and I also don't want the kids just inhaling that. So I'm just going to use vinegar and water and mop up the floors.
Give me that space. I know you wanna find another reason. I know you wanna lie, making me stay.
Alrighty guys, that is all for today. I hope that you found this motivating so that you can get your cleaning done that you may be needing to get done. The house is picked up, mopped, vacuumed, wiped down, the bathroom is clean, the toilet is clean, and Kingsley woke up just as I was finishing up, so I got quite a bit done, and I feel good about it. If you're new here, join the family, subscribe to my channel, and we would love to have you stick around. It would mean the world to me. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Catch you in the next one.